how Twitter was set on fire a few days ago. Notifications were falling like rain. Whether you are in the market or in the toilet. Even students in the campus received their own notification.
People were running healthcare sectors scattered. Healthcare sectors.
Oh, Jehovah! Is that what's going on?
I'm the goat. I'm the goat.
Don't play.
I wasn't left out.
Yeah.
I also got the tweet. But as a big fan of Wizkid and Davido, I decided to make peace. But little did I know that the online keypad warriors were not ready for peace at all.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one?
They started attacking me.
Come up on road.
Don't play.
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Don't play.